Hello and welcome to a tutorial on the employability section of the platform. In this tutorial, we'll explore how this portion of the platform equips you with the essential skills needed to be fully prepared for the workforce. Whether you refer to these as light skills, evergreen skills, or durable skills, Pathful has everything you need to succeed.
Let's dive into employability videos.
The topic filters help you find the content you need based on the specific skill you want to learn more about and develop. This allows you to focus on the areas that matter most to you. Pathful's employability videos offer insights from a variety of professionals on how to develop and demonstrate your employability skills. Each video is concise, lasting between 1 to 3 minutes, and features professionals from various industries and roles discussing how each skill contributes to overall success in the workplace. After watching each video, take a moment to reflect by visiting the Career Journal. Don't forget to favorite the videos you find most helpful so you can easily revisit them later.
Next, employability lessons.
The Lessons section offers content designed to help you develop employability skills through videos and related activities. These lessons provide practical ways to enhance your abilities in key areas.
Now, we have employability courses.
Employability courses offer opportunities for long-term, structured skill development. Each course is composed of units that include flex lessons, guiding you through activities centered around employability skill topics. Upon finishing an entire course, users earn a micro-credential, which signifies mastery of key employability skills. Developing your resume and cover letter writing skills is easy with Pathful's Resume Builder and Cover Letter Builder. You can create as many iterations as you'd like,
and they can be easily edited and downloaded into a PDF and a Word document.
The platform provides both student and adult examples of resumes, cover letters, job applications, and thank you letters. Editable templates ensure that all the necessary information is included and formatted carefully.
Next up, the Opportunity Board.
The Opportunity Board feature allows staff and administrators to post important career-related events and opportunities for students. Think of it as a virtual bulletin board where students can easily find valuable opportunities in their communities. Here, students can explore a variety of events that you have posted, such as job openings, career fairs, college nights, and other career-related activities. While the job and internship application feature is currently disabled, you can still view job postings. Pathful is actively searching for a provider that will allow users to search for and apply to jobs and internships directly through the platform. Stay tuned for updates, and in the meantime, make sure to keep the Opportunity Board updated regularly with new events and career-related resources for students to see. Remember, My Tracker is your go-to space for keeping all of your career exploration and employability progress in one place. Here you can find your credentials, resume and cover letter builders, as well as all of your journal entries. Thank you for joining this tutorial. We hope it helps you make the most of the employability section of Pathful and contributes to your future career success.